In this Bondware website builder review, I'll share my experience. Find links below. Bondware is a website builder and CMS perfect for small businesses, publishers, and organizations needing a reliable, scalable platform. Its flexibility and functionality make it a robust, straightforward solution. Bondware offers responsive templates for various industries, like news, e-commerce, and community platforms. Customize colors, layouts, and content to match your brand. While visually basic compared to modern drag-and-drop builders, Bondware's powerful backend excels for content-heavy sites. Its standout feature is content management. Manage articles, blogs, and multimedia efficiently. For businesses, there's membership management and e-commerce support. Create subscriptions, sell products, or offer gated content easily. Bondware also supports SEO optimization with metadata, sitemaps, and keyword tracking. Integrated analytics help monitor performance and make data-driven decisions. Secure hosting and backups keep your site online and protected. Multi-user access and role management make team collaboration easy. However, the interface feels outdated compared to newer builders, and beginners might face a steeper learning curve. In conclusion, Bondware is a reliable CMS for content-focused websites with advanced business tools. It's ideal for publishers, membership sites, and small businesses prioritizing scalability and performance. Check the links below to explore Bondware and see if it fits your website goals. This review should help you decide if Bondware is right for your project.